Hey everyone, today we're reviewing therein.com, a website that's recently caught attention for offering what looks like easy crypto earnings. But is it a real deal or just another digital trap? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. At first glance, Mibleri.com presents itself as a crypto-related platform, offering users a free Bitcoin and promising account activation upon deposit. But don't let the sleek design fool you. There are serious red flags. While the website has a valid SSL certificate, several signs point to this being a scam. Users report being baited with free Bitcoin only to be asked to deposit more in order to activate their account. After doing so, their balance is reportedly locked or stolen. The website owner is hiding their identity, a common tactic used on fraudulent sites. It has a low trust rating across scam checking tools and a suspiciously high number of fake-looking reviews, despite being a very young website. Now, scam reports on platforms like Trustpilot describe the same bait-and-switch tactics, with clear warnings to avoid it. So, for the final verdict, is Mibleri.com legit? No. It appears to be a scam. There are multiple user reports of lost funds, hidden identities, and shady practices. If something sounds too good to be true in the crypto world, it usually is. Avoid this site at all costs. Thank you for watching. If you've had any experience with Mibleri.com, good or bad, share it in the comments below to help others. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay safe online.